In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the product waitlist feature on Squarespace. Whether you're running an online store or offering services, managing demand efficiently is crucial, especially when a product runs out of stock. Luckily, Squarespace provides a handy waitlist feature that allows customers to express their interest in out-of-stock items so you can manage your inventory better and keep your customers informed. So, let's dive into setting this up. First things first, go ahead and open the Squarespace website and log in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage dashboard. From there, let's navigate to where we can enable the waitlist for your products. The next step is selecting products and services from the options available in your dashboard. This is the section where you'll manage all the aspects related to what you're offering on your website. Once inside products and services, look out for selling tools. This section is where you can customize and optimize how you sell your products, including managing stock and dealing with sold-out scenarios. Now, from the Selling Tools menu, locate and click on Waitlist. This is the feature you'll use to manage customer interest in sold-out items. You should see a gear icon once you're in the waitlist settings. Click on this gear icon. Doing this will take you to the Settings menu for the waitlist feature. Here's the really significant part. You need to enable the Allow Waitlist Sign-ups button. By enabling this, you're allowing your customers to sign up for notifications when an out-of-stock product becomes available again. After you toggle this button to allow sign-ups, make sure to click Save. This will ensure that your changes take effect and your waitlist feature is activated. With the waitlist enabled, go ahead and click on the Sign Up button within this menu. This will allow you to customize your waitlist's description. Think about what you'd like to communicate to your customers about their waitlist subscription. Personalize this text to match your brand's tone and provide clear instructions or expectations. Once you've entered your text, don't forget to click Save again to lock in your changes. After completing these steps, the product waitlist feature will be successfully activated. This means that from now on, the sign-up option will be visible on the product details page for any sold-out variants. This visibility is not only convenient for your customers, but also beneficial for you to gauge customer interest levels in specific products. That wraps up our tutorial on enabling the product waitlist on Squarespace. By following these steps, you're one step closer to optimizing customer experience and maintaining interest in your offerings. Thank you for tuning in today, and feel free to check out other Squarespace features to elevate your online presence.